Hello dear learners of class 3rd. As you know that we were doing the lesson dolphins. Here we have done the content of the dolphins and also enjoyed the chapter through the pictures of the dolphins there. Now today we will do the word meanings and questions related to the lesson there. So let us know how to attempt these on our notebooks. So first of all, we have to write down the headings related to unit name, lesson name there. Like here I have given unit number 1, animal world. Next I have written part A, and the part A is your dolphins. These are your headings. Next we will write down the difficult words with their meanings from the lesson. Like here I have given, look at the words there and meanings. See, the heading word is there and meaning is there. Under the word we will write down the words difficult one from the chapter and meanings I will tell you. Okay, and how to write down there. See, the first word is there, scared. The meaning is to become full of fear. Next is there, gentle. The meaning is quiet or calm. Third one is your tired, and the meaning of tired is in need of rest. Next is your shallow, and the meaning is your not deep or depthless. See, here I have given choice to you in 2 words, that is your gentle and shallow. You can write down the both one or you can use the single meaning there. This is all about your word meanings there. Okay, the next is there, that is your question answers related to the lesson. So here in the chapter, question A6 is given. Answer the following questions briefly. So the first question related to this part is, first is, how do dolphins breathe? The answer is, dolphins breathe through a hole on the top of their head. That is the answer of first question. Second is, what do dolphins eat? The answer is, dolphins eat fish. Third one is there, why do dolphins live in groups? The answer related to it is, dolphins live in groups to help each other. The last one is there, that is, what do dolphins do when they are angry? The answer is, dolphins make a loud noise with their jaws and slap the water hard with their tails when they are angry. These are your 4 question answers there. See, when you are attempting these answers, don't forget to put proper punctuation mark. Means when you are writing down the question statement, use capital letter in the beginning, the first letter, and at that you will use question mark for the particular question you are writing down. You will follow the same thing there. And when you are answering the questions, you will put the first letter capital and at that you will put full stop. As I have written here, you also have to follow the same way. After attempting these 4 questions, we will move towards our value based question. Question number A9. See here, in question number A9, we have given a situation. Let us read the situation. Some children had gone for a picnic on a beach. After eating their food, they threw the wrappers on the beach and in the sea. Were they right in doing so? Why? What would you do to restore the natural beauty and cleanliness of the beach? So for this question, we'll answer like this. No, they were not right in doing so because they were making the beach unclean by throwing the wrappers there. I would try to make them understand the value of clean surroundings and also motivate them to maintain the cleanliness on the beach. That's how you will answer these questions. I hope you have understood and know how to write down these questions in your notebook. Thank you for now.